2006 Forest River Georgetown 370TS Ford for sale in El Paso, Texas. 79924. Gather up the kids and hit the open road in this spacious Georgetown RV. Loaded with amenities, this Forest River can sleep up to 6. Priced to move in, ready to roll. Don't miss your chance to drive it home today. Features: 3-burner stove, fridge, freezer, microwave dinette, booth, 2 smoke detectors, television in living room, surround sound, CD stereo, satellite dish, table ready, sofa, chairs, shower outside, shower, queen size bed, television in bedroom, storage dresser, basement storage, furnace, safe, steer, backup camera, heated power mirrors, tow package, Hitch Onan 5500 generator.